with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. So we're on a Frigidaire refrigerator that was not running, and we had no power at the outlet. So we checked the outlet and definitely had no power. So we went and flipped the circuit breaker to apply power back to it. And as soon as we plugged the refrigerator back in, it blew the circuit breaker downstairs again. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the back and check the compressor to make sure everything is okay. So to diagnose our bad compressor, we just used a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the back cover and a volt ohm meter to check out the compressor windings. So we're on our Frigidaire refrigerator that's blowing the circuit breaker, and the first place that we're going to is the compressor, and we're going to check the electrical connections on the compressor. So we're going to begin by putting our meter to its ohms reading and attach a clip to the common wire or common terminal. And what we should be looking for is an ohm reading of around 5 ohms or so. So with our lead attached to the common and the start winding, we're showing basically an open start winding. We could continue to check the start and run winding, but with the start winding being open like that, we know that we have a bad compressor. As we continue to check our compressor, I am going to, we have one lead to the common terminal, and now I'm going to attach the lead to the run terminal. And with a reading of about 4.4 ohms, that is about right. The last check that you would normally do on a compressor is to go from the run to the start winding, which we'll do now. And that should be the sum of the start to common and run to common. So now we see it's still about 4.4 ohms. So it is the sum of the run and start winding, which the start winding was 0.2 ohms, but that is basically an open circuit. So we have verified every check to know that we have a bad compressor. So on our Frigidaire refrigerator that was a no cool with no power going to it, we found that we had a bad compressor. So we need to replace the compressor to fix this refrigerator. Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.